Welcome to Perceptor PTXL's online training tutorials. In this tutorial, we will find out how to use quicklaunch. Quicklaunch allows the user to create and run a batch from a label template quickly and easily by utilizing a barcode scanner to automatically load the label and create a batch run without the need for any manual keyboard entries. To do this, once logged in, select Batch from the top toolbar, then quicklaunch. Enter a batch name of your choosing or scan a barcode that contains the batch name. If your barcode reader has been set up to suffix the scan with a carriage return, then PTXL will always automatically move to the next field. Enter or scan a barcode that contains your TIS product code. PTXL will automatically then load the label. Depending on the label setup, the user will be asked to enter or scan additional fixed field information. Once all fields are complete, press Run Batch, upon which Perceptor PTXL will automatically open and run a batch. It is important to note that when launching a batch via quicklaunch, you can only close a batch. You cannot pause a batch when it is completed. This is to prevent batches from being left open and preventing other users on network systems from being able to launch a batch using this label template. This concludes our tutorial on running quicklaunch, the smart and faster way to run a batch within Perceptor PTXL. Thank you for listening. We hope you found this tutorial useful and you enjoy using Perceptor PTXL.